Hi, I'm Katie. I'm from CoreMed and we design medical equipment bags. We do bespoke bags, but we also have standard items as well. We were approached to design a bag to carry Penthrox by one of the large NHS trusts. This particular bag we call the Penthrox pouch. You can see it's a small size, but it's designed specifically to hold 2 of the Penthrox inside. We have this outer zip here, which is completely waterproof or wipe clean materials. This is tarpaulin or wipe clean. On this side, we can apply a logo if we wish. And we also have the ability to apply, in this clear area here, your own barcode. So the pouch, which is really durable material with this tarpaulin, you'll see inside, once we open it with this double zip, which is a tamper-proof zip as well as being a waterproof zip, you'll see inside where we hold the 2 Penthrox, we have a clear lid, but we also have this medical grade foil as well. So that helps with things like cleaning as well. So for your Penthrox, if you want to carry it safely, come and visit us for the Penthrox pouch.